Good morning, you all, my dear children. I am going to teach you about the bonding in coordination compounds. How we find the type of hybridization, geometry, and magnetic behavior of the coordination compounds. This is on the basis of valence bond theory, VBT. VBT is valence bond theory. This theory is given to explain the hybridization, magnetic behavior, geometry of the coordination compound. See here, I want to take an example, FeCN whole 6, 3 minus. This compound is hexacyanidopyrrate third ion. The central metal is Fe. Atomic number of Fe is 26. We can write the electronic configuration in this way: 4s2 3d6 4p0, 18 plus 2 20 plus 6 26. 4p subshell is present but it is vacant. 26 Fe. Now the oxidation number of Fe will be plus 3. You can calculate here plus 3. Fe contains plus 3 charge, means Fe loses 3 electrons, 2 electrons from this 4s and 1 electron from 3d, which you know that you have already read in class 11th. To write the electronic configuration of these positive ions, means it becomes 3d5, 4s2 and 4s0 and 4p also becomes 0. 2 electrons from here and 1 electron from here gets removed and it becomes 3d5, 4s0, 4p0. You can show this in the form of their boxes, their orbitals, like this. You know that D subshell contains 5 orbitals, S subshell contains 1 orbital and P subshell contains 3 orbitals. These 5 electrons are accommodated like this, in this way. 4s is vacant, 4p is also vacant. Here the total number of ligands are 6. 6 ligands are present, hence there should be 6 vacant orbitals to accommodate their electrons. Hence we shift these electrons within these subshells, means in excited state during bond formation the electrons get arranged like this. 2 electrons in these 2 orbitals and single electron is in this subshell. Now these 2 orbitals becomes vacant. This one and this one is 3 orbitals. This one is 3d, this one is 4s, this one is 4p. Now you see that there are 6 vacant orbitals to accommodate electrons of 6 ligands. They get hybridized together, d 2 orbitals, 1s and p 3 orbitals, means the hybridization will be d2sp3 hybridization. Now these 3 orbitals get separated from this in this way, and these 6 orbitals like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6. These 6 orbitals contain electron pairs of Cn minus, which is the ligand, Cn minus, like this. The 6 lone pair electrons given by Cn are arranged in this way, and here the 3 orbitals are cut off from these orbitals and separated in the form of like this. Here the central metal is Fe. Fe is in the center, surrounded by 6 Cn ligands, Cn minus, like this. Here it becomes like this, and the shape of the molecule becomes octahedral. If 6 ligands are there, then the molecule will be octahedral. Means in short, you can describe it, hybridization will be D2sp3, geometry of the compound will be octahedral. And what is the magnetic nature? To find the magnetic nature, you see here 1 unpaired electron is present, hence the magnetic nature will be paramagnetic. You know that if all electrons are paired, if all paired electrons are present, then it will be diamagnetic, and if unpaired electrons are present, then it will be paramagnetic. Hence, the nature will be paramagnetic. Okay, this is the bonding in this coordination compound. In this way, you can find the bonding in various coordination compounds. You can consult from your book. If any problem, then ask me. Okay, thank you.